Welcome back to my channel. It's Hannah. So if you hear noise, I'm just gonna say it, if you hear any noise, they're doing like construction outside of my apartment, and in my actual room it's really loud, and then I tried to go into Hannah's room and it was louder. So we're in the living room, and yeah, anyway, if you've noticed, we'll zoom in here, I have eyelash extensions. Oh, we're gonna brush them out while I can see them. So, I got eyelash extensions like a week ago about, because I got it on last Friday and today's Thursday now. So, yeah, so I got those. They've been falling out, but they're actually still looking pretty good. This kind of clumps together. But anyway, yeah, so today I'm going to be doing my spring makeup tutorial. Also, the reason why I've been posting recently is because I've been busy packing. I'm actually going to be moving back to Omaha once school's done, and I'm going to be staying there, transferring to UNO. So, yeah, that's why I've been busy, because I've been trying to like get stuff put together, moving from here to Omaha. And then last week was spring break, and I didn't have any time to film then because I had to work like every day, and then I went to visit my grandma, and yeah. And I also am still pretty tan because I had that spray tan the last video I posted, but I actually have self-tanner that I got to fix the whiteness that is my body. But yeah, so with that little update out of the way, I'm going to show you guys my spring makeup tutorial. Alright, so we're just going to get started, and yeah, if my lashes start to clump together and I end up like brushing them out, don't mind me. Also, my mirror's over here because the way that I'm set up, it's a little crazy. Alright, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is prep my face with the Laura Mercier foundation primer. Put a little bit of that on my hand. I also was trying to make this like an ASMR like spring makeup tutorial thing, but with that crazy nonsense outside, I was like, I'm not gonna do that. So we're here now. I really also want to try to get a few more videos filmed today, so I'll have stuff to post the next couple of weeks, because I only really have 1 month of school left. Yeah, so alright, so after I do my foundation primer, it's gonna bother me. Just ignore that. So once I put my primer on my face, hello, I'm gonna get my Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Foundation in the shade Light, which is crazy because it really does not look light at all. Like, it matches with my spray tan, but not my natural skin. So anyway, I'm just gonna pump it out of here, and I'm just gonna put some on my face. Okay, so I'm just gonna hold the mirror over here, but this foundation, it's not bad. My sister got it for me for my birthday, and obviously my birthday's on Christmas, so I didn't look tan. Whoa. Okay, well, yeah, so I've only been wearing it the past couple of days, like, that I've been tan, because it matches, and the other ones are too light. So, okay, this does not click, because I'm struggling, if you can't tell. So, I'm just gonna use my beauty blender to blend this out. It's kind of damp from yesterday, or whenever I did my makeup last. So it's a little damp still, and I'm just going to use that to blend in. See, it matches pretty well, but my natural skin, it's rough. And this foundation, I mean, the spray tan's a little blotchy because, I don't know, I really don't know how to blend it into my face. So I use my mitt that I use for my body on my face, and that doesn't really help. So if you do any self-tanning, let me know how you do your face, because I don't know. I try to drag it into my ears as well, but yeah. So once I'm done with the foundation, I'm gonna go in with my Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer that apparently is the dupe for the Shape Tape. I'm gonna see if I can raise this up a little bit. So there we go. All right, that's better, I think. Okay, so now I'm just gonna get a little bit of that and put it under my eyes. Like for my spring makeup tutorial and my summer like kind of looks, I don't like to put a lot of stuff on my face, so we're just gonna do a little bit, and then right there, if you can see it. Yeah, this, I don't know what shade it was. I panicked. It was like in the line at Ulta, and I was like, oh my gosh, I really want that, so I just grabbed one, and I tried to see if it matched. But this was in C5. Don't really even know what that is. Could be light, could be medium. It's not dark, but yeah. So I'm just gonna blend that in. Oh my gosh, my nose is itching. I'm just gonna put some on my nose as well. Alright, so once it's blended out, I'm so sorry about that noise. I don't really know if you can even hear it, but if you do, I'm sorry. I don't really know what's going on out there. But once I put my concealer on, I'm gonna go in with my Airspun Loose Face Powder. Okay, so I put autofocus on, and I have never actually tried it with my microphone. So I don't know if you could, it might be worse. I don't know, we're gonna see how it works. And it just keeps autofocusing itself. So I'm gonna pour a little bit of this powder into the cap, the lid. And I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender and just dab into it, and then put it under my eyes. Yeah. The autofocus on this is not.
She's not a friend. She's a foe.
It just kind of sucks because it's like I don't want to have to keep autofocusing it myself. Okay, well, once that's done, we're gonna let that bake. And then I'm gonna do my eyebrows. And I just use the Revlon Color Stay in the soft brown shade, which obviously is a little darker than I would like it since I've gotten my hair lightened. It's still a little dark. Yeah, so I'm just gonna brush out my eyebrows. Oh, I've got some of my hair. And I don't even know the last time I've actually went and got my eyebrows done. So bear with me. But I just brush through it, and then I'll go under the brow, brush over the brow, we'll pencil in, and then a little bit light strokes at the beginning of my eyebrow. Alright, I'm just gonna brush through it. So there's that one. And I'm just gonna do the same thing for the other eyebrow. And I'm gonna take it off autofocus because she's having a rough time. Okay. Okay, so I think they look okay. I don't really know. And it just sucks because sometimes I can't see if I have any like bare spots. They might just look a little rough. But that's as good as it's gonna get for today. And then after I do my eyebrows, I will brush away the baking. So I'm just gonna brush it away. Usually I'll let it stay on my face a little bit longer because after I do my eyebrows, I'll do my eyeshadow, but I don't really do a lot of eyeshadow, like in the nicer weather, because I just kind of like to keep it natural. But we're just gonna dust her off. I'm gonna turn the brightness down a little bit. There we go. Once that's dusted off, I go in with my Stay Matte powder in the shade Natural, Rimmel London. And this might be a little light because I got it before I had gotten that spray tan. So, yeah, but we gotta make do with what we got, you know? It's not bad, but it's not good. Yeah, and I'm looking over this way because my viewfinder's there and I don't want to hold up my mirror. So if you want me to just stare at you, I will. But I can't really see what I'm doing if I just look at the camera. But I'm gonna do it for you. For all of you. Alright, so once we've got that on our face, I'm gonna go grab my bronzer because I totally forgot to get it. So I'll be right back. Alright, so same thing. I really need to get a new bronzer, but I'm just gonna keep using the stuff that I got until it's completely gone. But this is the Pixi Strobe and Bronze Glow and Bronze palette. The Pixi, it said Pixi on here. You can kind of see it. It's basically gone because this has been through crazy things. So I'm gonna grab my little bronzing brush. Oh, there it is. Okay, so this is just some fluffy brush that I have because I don't like to have crazy streaks on my face. So what I do is I'll put a little bit on the top and I pinch it and then I'll go right here. What is this? The hollows of your cheekbone? Maybe? Yeah. And then I'll drag it up onto my forehead. And then I'll do some under my chin and drag it down. Also, Rachel, if you're watching this, these are definitely your old earrings. They screamed spring to me, and they were in that jewelry thing that I have. So if you're watching, they're yours. If you want them back, when I move in with you, you can have them. So after bronzing, I will use my Tarte Unstoppable Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. I need a new one. I got this. This was like a sample one that they had at Sephora, and I got this my senior year of high school, so that was 2 years ago. Just take a little bit of that and put it on the apples of your cheeks. Good thing I wasn't planning on taking a nap today because there's no way in San Francisco I would be taking a nap with this construction going on. Alright, so once I actually have all my face done, like once I have foundation, powder, everything done, then after I'd have my eyeshadow done and eyeliner done, then I'll do mascara. But yet again, like I said, for spring I don't really wear much eyeshadow or makeup really in general, but since I have eyelash extensions on, I'm not gonna put mascara on them, and I'm just gonna brush through them so they don't look as crazy. Oh, one just came out. You wanna see what it looks like? There's actually two in there, but look. We're gonna zoom in here. Oh, that's just me. Oh, wait, see that? Like 4 of those were laying on my pillow a few days ago, so yeah. But I'll brush through them. And I think one of them is about to fall. There's one over here somewhere. Oh, that's a real lash. The small little brown one's a real lash from my own eyelashes. But yeah, so I'm just gonna brush these out. Another one came out. Alright, so that's basically it for this little spring makeup routine that I usually do. And I'll just zoom in a little bit on these lashes. See, there's like one that's a little overlapping. This one's a little more sparse because most of them came off on this side. But we're just going to let these sister lashes fall out on their own because I really don't want to rip them out and lose my real lashes because we all know I don't really have any. But yeah, so that's it for this little look. Also, can't forget to do this because we gotta set her. I used the All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray from Urban Decay. And yeah, it's just in this tiny little bottle. I got like the smaller one when I was there. I need to really vacuum this floor, but so I'll just put it away at a distance and spritz myself. I would put more on, but I'm not going out around town today. I have a Bible study I'm going to tonight though, which I'll probably just end up taking a shower after that instead of before. But yeah, so this was a very exciting video. Alright, so that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to try to film some more videos today to get those out. But yeah, so thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that bell to be notified anytime I post a new video. And I will see you next time. Honestly, this might just be the end of the video. Just this, because I don't know what I'm doing.